Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying compatibility. Check that your laptop has Thunderbolt 3/4 or USB 4 at 40 Gbps, because raw USB-A or USB-C at 510 Gbps won't work well. Once done, unpack the eGPU enclosure and install the desktop GPU. Seat it firmly and connect the 6 or 8-pin PCIe power cables. Make sure to update BIOS and Thunderbolt firmware before powering up, and download the correct GPU drivers now so you can install them immediately after connection. With the hardware ready, power off the laptop and the enclosure, then plug the enclosure into AC and ensure the GPU power cables are secure. Next, connect the Thunderbolt or USB 4 cable to the laptop. When you power on, authorize the device in your OS or Thunderbolt control panel if prompted. After booting, install or update the GPU drivers, and then configure display output or set the eGPU as the preferred renderer for specific apps. This is how you route performance to the external card. Now run a benchmark or play a game to confirm the eGPU is active. Watch temps and link speed to ensure you're getting expected performance. If you see no output, immediately recheck the Thunderbolt cable, power connectors, and that the enclosure is authorized in the OS. Also reboot and try a different Thunderbolt port. Sometimes BIOS or firmware settings limit PCIe lanes. If problems continue, update enclosure firmware or consult the enclosure's diagnostics. These steps usually reveal the bottleneck or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.